Jerry, look him.
Fish on, guys. Fish on, yep. Fish on. Got him. Blacks, control that alarm. Control that alarm, Blacks. Control that alarm, quick. Hurry up. Just pinch and take off. Alright, I got him. Fish on. Woo-hoo. Jamaican shore fishing. We got something good. Yeah. Here guys, real crocodile-infested water. Real crocodile. This is real crocodile grounds, guys. Throat feeling kind of raspy from yesterday being in the sun all day. And I didn't get to close this video properly yesterday because so many things were happening yesterday, guys. It started off with we leaving out a little bit late behind time because I had to pack all the gears by myself and get everything together myself. I even left a few items, which wasn't normal for me to do. I don't normally do that. Got down on the site, linked up one of our shore fishing team members in that region in St. Elizabeth. He said he wasn't coming down right away. It was a good thing. It wasn't a bad thing, guys. It was definitely a good thing that he said he wasn't going to come down. Yet he's doing some things around his house first, and then he's going to link up with blacks. So punches and blacks. Big up yourself, guys. The rest of this video that is going to be crazy. This is crazy. I caught one fish, and I don't think I got it on video, but Oral and the other guys were bingo. Actually, they stood behind. We left them there because we was out from 4 a.m. in the morning. I'm beat because I've been driving, I've been up, we got stuck in the sand, we had to dig the car out, and that was a tedious situation. That took about 2.5 hours, I swear. I had to call Punches and tell him to bring a shovel down when he's coming down, and I'm stuck. He's like, oh shoot, I'm coming. So he came down as usual, linked up, we got the car unstuck, we got to fishing. First cast I cast out, guys, I hook up on a nice snapper. Alright, good deal, this looks good. Look like I'm gonna catch something. Then he's like, Jerry, I brought my cast net with me, and I ended up leaving it with Punches and Black because they need it more than I do. I haven't used that thing in a while. So well, rather than it stay and get damaged or dry rot, better you guys go ahead and find use for it. So I left it. But when I got there, guys, I found out that Punches' fishing rod broke. He don't have a reel, he don't have a rod. And Black's fishing rod broke. Don't have a reel, don't have a rod. So I had to give him my gears to use. So I gotta put something together for these guys because they're awesome guys. They go out with me when I'm camping, fishing, hunting all the time. So I definitely want to put something together for them guys. All right. So stay tuned for this next epic video. Actually, today I'm out for the barbershop. I gotta go get my hair cut and get myself groomed up and ready for work for the week. And I'm good to go. And New Year's too. So. Alright guys, so stay tuned guys for this epic, exciting adventure. You're gonna see some crazy stuff with some crocodiles. It's crazy. Who was actually in the water with the crocodiles, so stay tuned for that scene. Alright? Bless up yourself, Jamaican shore fishing. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads. Just passing by, and I seen a potential spot, and I tell you this, I couldn't just pass this water, guys. I really could not pass this water. I've never casted here before. Just trying a little thing right here real quick. Spoon lure. I might get a good response. I might not. Let's see. This is a nice spot. Let me clear this tree. And see if I can pick something up here. If I hook something here, you know that it's going to be a problem to land it. This is not a good lure to use at this time of morning because the sun is not up. This lure depends on the sun. But let's get it over that rock and see what's up. Last cast. Just have to get that little one shot before we leave. I'm surprised, bro. Look at this water, bro. This is Barra territory. This is their home. This is how they operate. In these little shallows, they love this. They love hanging out in these things, bro. And I'm surprised. Maybe it's the lure that I'm using so early, but I can switch up. But damn, we on a rush. We're trying to get to another spot. We're trying to be on timing. One more cast, and we out. Last cast. And we out. I just want to get one more cast in, and see what we can pick up on that spoon lure. And we out. I should have switched off and had a yellow Yazori or something on there. I just had to get a cast off of this. But if that sun was up on this lure, bro, something dead right here. And when we coming back, we stopping. You hear me? When we coming back, we're stopping. Let's go. Let's cross. Come on. Jamaican Shore Fishing. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Early morning lure casting this morning. Me and Chris is at it again, guys. We in St. Elizabeth. And I just decided to stop at a spot real quick before I get to my original spot that we planned to go to, and stop on these popcorn rocks and see if I could get a few casts in and pick something up to roast on the fire down there while we fish. So, spoon lure early in the morning, guys. I just got hit. I keep on getting hit by long jaws. Oh, fuck. Let's try on the other side. Come on. Yeah, guys, so we'll give it a shot on the other side. My anti-reverse on my lure rod is not working so great, so I don't know what's up with it. I gotta send this thing back to dye with ASAP. So I'm gonna jump over on the other side, guys. I just got my chest cam on right now. No head cam, trying to conserve some batteries. And me and Chris is out this morning, guys. And like I said, we're just giving it a shot this morning on the lure and seeing what we can pick up this morning. Here. Oh shit. Let's go, bro. Try and see if I can get a cast off these rocks. Oh? Oh, bless up, bro. Is that short, my brother? Okay. Let's see if I can. That's a floating dock, they call those. You know that, right? Yeah? That. Yeah, they call it a floating dock. Okay. You know how expensive they are, bro? Oh, look at this. These are nice. No, they look like they rent them for fishing. Remember mine's is nice. No, but the thing with these, they don't have the pedal like mine's. They don't have the slot for the pedal. This is just roll with your hands. Yeah. Let me try to cast on this side of the dock. Let me see. I don't know. I'm going to go down there. I know there's a barrel on this shit. Hey guys, so let's get that out there, right off the edge. Let's see if we can make something out, guys. Spoon lure is not going to give me such a good effect in the morning as a top water lure probably will this morning. Something white back. And I might have to park this lure. Subscribe and watch the ads. We're back on our favorite fishing spot. And we got with St. Elizabeth crew here. Jamaican Shore Fishing, my crew from St. Elizabeth, guys. And we'll link up with them today. General right here. Other general right here. And guys, today we're going to pick up on some permit jocks today. Snappers, snooks, whatever it is. We have the lure, we have the drop lines, we have everything set up, guys. And I told you that. I rotted. Chris Teato. Yeah, man. Chris is here, guys. And we're here, and we're going to drop out. Hey, Blacks, no, don't jump in on my line, Blacks. Front up, left, right, man. Where are you going on my line for, bro? Where are you going, boy? But we're ready up, guys. We got the alarms. See, probably have the alarm them ready up. I just want 2 of them for them. You can't put back them there one them, man. I'm going to set them here and go and throw some lure meantime. Alright? I'm going to cast net to and see if we can pick up some bait fish over there, so. Black skull. Alright, take that one there. Take the right side. Take the right side, Blacks. Let me take this side there. Alright. Set one alarm pan in the Blacks. Alarm there in the car. Watch this now, guys. Let me get out here and get a cast in. We're doing that St. Elizabeth, guys. Man. Permit jack territory. Woo! See that shit? Oh, you're like, yo, damn, that shit went far. Yeah, it does go far. They do go. Way past the brown, man. So here, guys. Blacks, take out the rod out I sitting. Now try bend the rod under that. Take you out I stand when you put on the alarm on them here. You broke the tip. I broke one tip last week at Bex. I just had to just deal with it. Carolina rig, guys. Over under rig, Carolina rig. I got one line set right here. Black's line set right there. Blacks tell me one night I catch 2 fish and go to my bed 9 o'clock. A blood cleat 4 o'clock I come here and set up tent. By the time I set up tent, Blacks, 2 permit, 1 11 pound and 1 7 pound. I top fish here last night and left skilly them. I love skilly them for you rest at night. I say, brother, when I dip on one, I not catch no more fish. And next morning skilly catch 2 big blood cleat snook. Line them set. Ready up now, dogs. Hit this now, dogs. Yeah, we got stuck. I had to pull the jack out. We got stuck in some sandbar, guys. If you look, probably have sun all night out. We got stuck, so we had to call the team. Team dug us out. We got out, guys. It was one hell of a couple of hours trying to get out of that sandbar. So we're here, guys. We have the line set, and we're just waiting for that pickup. Dirty water, perfect for them permit jack. You remember the day we was down here, Blacks, and the whole heap of girl and sitting over pick up along the stretch? I say, yo, what lure action we get that day? Not normal. And the big bar. Look at this, look at this, look at this already. Over. And Miggle one. Miggle one I go off. Hey, one night me there already, you know. The amount of eel me catch us one night to us. Yeah, the night time they have. Yo, I caught so much eel that night, bro. At 13 eels. That Miggle line got touched a while ago. If me see belly up, me know say I want a permit. If me see that line the belly and touch the water, it must swim in and a permit. They have a tendency of doing that, you know. Make you think say line slack up. And then you go take up the line and then just go, so yo! The blood clean, one piece of sitting Blacks. Blacks, I turn up on one wall with this grey rod the other day and I go so. I see line slack up, I say right, let me check the line. By the time I go so with the alarm and go so if I set the drag, I say, whoop! Pull me off a blood clean wall, I'm frightened. Yeah. I'm frightened, bro. I'm frightened, I never frightened so yet in my life. Dead. I just touch the lines and he feel. Yo. Who? Yeah, man, yeah. Niggle?
Yeah, it's a get pit, man. That's a some snapper.
Damn, I missed that hit. You see Bella move? You see Bella move? So you have to watch the music with this, the recording. Yeah. Copyright. You see me? You know, so I'll get bite, brother. Brother, one thing about Donny, so I'm sure, you know. Me sure say even if I not even want, I sit me I go home with, you know.
Even if I know nothing big.
Nothing big, me I go home with something. The other day I done a hungry bite my ass, a 3 fish right just on my roast. Remember them? Season up them rotted and roast and hungry bite me around and I tell you, the shop here tell him, you know. Say make sure you go on there with food, you know. Make sure you go with food, you know, young man. Don't go on there without food, you'll suffer.
You'll get bite, you know, but if you went to go down in a day part now,
yeah.
That time you get harder.
Yeah.
But you're still in them, you know, whenever they get no bite.
Remember, man, the 5 pound one? The day where we did done there? You remember, say, me and you walk the line way up, so to blood clean. Me and Blacks one day to blood clean. Miles, you know? Yo, I'll be a fit. Me and Blacks there, I kill fish like down here, man. All them 2 big barrels up here, so I torment with Ross up here so the day, man. Them say big old, and then I fly the drone and spot them in the water, you know? You never see it in that picture? Big old sitting there. And he just go in the blood teeth swarm, so and go in the swarm again, the blood fish, you see, man.
Yeah.
Yeah. But Blacks, you know, me do something wrong down here, so. Put the kayak in a blood creek water in a mating season. You know? The time when I come down here with the kayak, it was a mating season for blood creek crocodile them time. You know? I don't know what me I do in the water with kayak. In a for the mating season, you know.
And
then
go for you go.
Yeah, we out a reef me there, man. Yo, me walk up so one day and I bump in some croc foot, baby foot. Whole heap. What I mean hundreds of baby foot. And I said to Parm, I said, Dane, you know, say, of course we have to do I come up here so with baby there. Because if the mother they bout, him not tap and he kill you know. He might run you down, said wait. Yeah, he might kill you. Now watch him man, a eel do them krill and crab you know. Eel and crab alone. Then when they have crown with the line and a wind up on it. Twist up. That I like fish, they drop them. Either that or the sea egg. If we can't find sea egg, that is even more. Yeah, the blue crab them, a gold mine that we can't find two of them there right now. Bust him in a two and send it on the hook and rubber bunny. And send you out there. No one can never tell me that when I talk to you blacks.
No, they're real.
You have a reel, your fishing reel, the reel on the line. Big one? You me find one yes one day in a tree around them tree, then they round them tree, you know. You will look and see them a climb round the tree them round here. So some big, more time I see them down here man. One big one there about here, I know that. You see the sea grape tree, almond tree them? Yeah. One the sun peek out look a bit for me, you see. One the sun peek out look a bit for me. I'm moving from this.
Is that hitch?
Yeah?
Is that hitch?
Yeah, it's alright now. But it has a feeling of its own. I'm not going to use it right now. It's not up yet good enough with me. I tell this man, I don't wear no pants with me when I come fishing. Wear shorts. Man, look at him. Tell this, hey, I get wet up and dirty up. I tell you, the big one is the shit. Who are him right now? Pitch up on me. Broke my line. Broke my line. I broke the line. Line popped on something. This is my shop, my repair shop where I do repairs. That's why I leave it open. It makes life simpler than me take the stuff out. So I can. What up?
You know, look at all over Thailand too, you know.
Hey Jerry.
Who that?
Line.
What happened to them?
You know, no more them there for jam. Jam one there
No, so I'm not no more line. No more fishing rod.
crunchy, so I need to hold on for that, you know, so you're gone.
Yeah. Yeah.
Look, every time you reel up it.
I want if I cross this one, you know. It was close. Ross, me just one fin come up. Right, that's all. Yeah. Brother, when them fish grabbing them, man, I took off, you know. They're not playing them, man. Last time I fight 2 years, man, I'm in bed, I go 9 o'clock, man.
Yo.
Which one? Which one?
Then you get a hit a while ago, man. No, we look for one of them.
Here, guys. I got a hit, huh? And I'm gonna make it wise to it, you know, because that's a snapper rig. I got a heavy hit a while ago, guys. Nothing up on this. That dead. Hold on. Now, I wonder if this one lick. Okay. Eh? Alright, man. We're good, man. Yo, I one thing about me, you know, brother. I'm in a rush when me there, so, you know. No, alright. Blacks tell me now. Me there's a whole day till 6 o'clock in the evening. Yeah, a wicked lick, man. This look while, you know. Yeah, guys. So, I got a hit a while ago, so I'm trying to get down and get this line back out. Blacks went down further. You got something? Damn. You come off? This is important, that's your drag.
Yeah.
It's called your drag system. Your drag system is very important. What you don't want is set it too tight and the fish pull the line and they pull the rod out.
Okay.
Or pull the whole stand over. Making you run with the line.
Yeah.
Then you come up and you control the situation. You put it up, 1, 2, 3, set line. Start winding. If you still take more line, adjust 2 click, 1 click.
Yeah.
You see me?
You have to know both.
You have to know what you do. That's why I don't want you pulling none of these big fish until you actually see me fight one. That line they go sideways, look a bit here. Yeah, the black one.
Nobody just get by it.
Or just switch that black rod over and drop in a mingle between them. Rascal. Hold on there.
Jerry, look him. Lick him, man, lick him. Lick him.
Fish on, guys. Fish on, yep. Fish on. Got him. Blacks, control that alarm. Control that alarm, Blacks. Control that alarm, quick. Hurry up. Just pinch and take off. Alright, I got him. Fish on. Woohoo! Jamaican shore fishing. We got something good. Here, guys. Woohoo! Yeah, snapper. Look like a snapper. Snapper, baby. That's what's up. Jamaica shore fishing. First one of the day. That's what's up, guys. Where's that now, dog? Look at his face. He's ready. His face is ready, guys. That's it.
Jamaican South Coast guys.
Look at this, guys. Look at this. Hey. Nice dinner snapper. Look at this size.
Yeah.
Look at this. Let me juke you with the spur, then you have to be careful. We jump him in the cooler. Something ready for the day. I feel good. That stuck in the water wasn't so bad after all. That stuck in the the fuck are you? Yeah. As I get my first drink. That's cool. Oh shit, he left me red. He still left me red on here.
Looking nice already.
I'll leave that bait on there. Watch out. Hey bro, stop playing with my feelings. Stop playing with my feelings, bro.
You know, say when this leak, you know, say something big.
Yeah, who have the alarm? You have the alarm? Yeah, man. When this one leak now, me know say action time. And the frigate just swallow the blood cleat circle hook in her ass, you know, man. Hey guys, so first catch. Oh shit, almost hit his line. Huh? Me have whole heap of line. One thing about me rod them, I always have whole heap of line, brother. Because when fish decide to take off on you, you better have line. Out a reef to blood cleat and you don't have enough line, you spool off your whole of your reel.
Then go to it. I have to swim with that.
And this a rod you don't have to swim with, everything else sink. This is one float.
Okay.
Say Frigga lick the line hard, you know man. Yesterday we also one brother hook one fish, you see. I was see line on the rod passing about 100.
Yeah, they tell me.
I said bombard. Gone left him. Me have all seasoning here, you know. In case anything, you know. Can roast, blood cleat, snapper. Hey guys, first hit. Yeah guys, so I was trying to save a little battery, but first hit, snapper. We outside. Chris, the rest of the shore fishing team there. Yeah, we're there guys, so stay tuned. Next hookup. Guys came back. Oral's here guys. Drove all the way from Mobay. Link up with me here in St. Elizabeth. And we're here in St. Elizabeth at one of my favorite fishing spots. I'm gonna argue on my location because every time you give them a location, some people go there and destroy it. So here we go, guys. We're not gonna give away this location where we at in St. Elizabeth. But guys, just know that I got blacks, I got my general here, and guys, they need some fishing rods. And we had gotten blacks a fishing rod before, but he got damaged. He had one and he got damaged, so I'm trying to put together something that I can get him a reel and a rod for each of these guys. All right. If any of you guys have any extra and spare rods that you can, I'll put up the email address and stuff. Then you drop me an email and we get that to them. All right. So stay tuned, Jamaican Shore Fishing. We are out here. The team's moving up the line. We want to see if we can pick something else up. There's snooks in the water. The snook just came up a while ago, guys, on top of the water and hit the line. So run a lure. I'm running my spoon lure. Come here, Oral. And straight where I go on the line and not for hitch up on wing and just walk straight in the bro. A good distance in the bro. Hey guys, so I'm a little bit concerned about guys because they really don't know the ends. So fish on? Oh damn. Spoon lures are international lure guys that will pick up anything. Barras, jacks, snooks, anything on this lure right here. You hear me? Oh shit, I got beach up there, opened up. Where? Yeah bro, there's a lot of people over on the beach over that side. Woo! Jamaican shore fishing guys. Yo, this is as epic as it can get guys. We out in crocodile-infested waters. Hanging out. Hopefully we don't get eaten today. You alright? Jamaican shore fishing. Jamaican lure fishing guys. But we're gonna set our lines up the line and see what we can pick up here today. Jackfish, barra, anything that we can get our hands on today guys. I got a snapper already. You should have seen that earlier in the clip. The first cast out. Oh shit. That's you just dropped there a while ago. Yo, see lure right? That's a dogs. That lure floats. See, that's all. Let's go get that shit. Black's gotta go get a lure. Haha. You better hope a big barra don't grab it while you're trying to grab that shit. Yeah, guys. Black's gotta swim for a lure today. So that's what's up. Look, the lure came off. He's gonna go get it. So anybody that's out here with us can swim. Fishermen, swimmers, all that. So he's good at what he does. You all right? Big fish? Oh shit. Your tie wasn't good. Your tie was not good. That's what happens. Your tie never good dogs. You alright? You joke you? Your tie never good. You want me to tie that for you? Your tie is not good bro. That's why that happens. Hold this. Hold this. Careful, this reverse is not working good. Yo, go on, man. What, man? Welcome. Eh?
You have him with dog, have him, man. Watch out.
Hook you good?
What? I tear it out.
Fuck.
The hook in my pocket and my hand grange him and I tear out.
What about it? It happens to the best of us.
I think that not hard yet. I'll lip hook the hook.
Anyway.
No hook me on my lip, you're mad. Blacks had to go swim for a while ago, guys. We just hunt this beach. Look at this pretty beach, guys. I hope you guys enjoy this, guys. I went out all the way. I got stuck in sand. Had a dramatic day, guys. Oh shit, you seen that a while ago? I had a dramatic day today, stuck in sand today. All kinds of stuff, right, Moji? Just to make this video today, guys. So it's been an epic adventure today, guys. And yeah, it is worth it. It's always worth it to come here. Because this is untouched territory. Nobody, no population, freedom, nothing. So this is it. This is what it's all about. I got the rest of the team down there walking orals down there with my general down there, and trust me, guys, they're loving this right now. Untouched territory where they can actually catch some fish. So stay tuned, Jamaican shore fishing. Yeah, bro, I always do down there. Jay-Z's my boy, Jonathan. Yeah. Huh?
You have gas in the car?
Yeah.
Like, you can lift early, this evening, not go down.
Yeah. Yeah.
Like, fishing on.
Yeah, bro.
Listen, not even, but when you can, right now, fishing on.
We just want to make sure we have something to eat. Yo, blacks, untouched territory. Blacks, look, nobody. Not a friggin', not even a footprint. Don't you feel free, bro? Yeah, guys, that's what it's all about. Just hoping I drop on one of those barrels, one of them long jaws, or something. And then, gee, trust me, how far up we go, blacks? We're gonna get snooks, blackfish. We're hunting anything that we can get our hands on today, guys.
Anything.
We're killing it for the New Year's. Merry Fishmas! We're heading further down to this pond. We're in crocodile-infested area, guys. Crocodile-infested waters. And trust me, at any time you can see one of them pop up and run off. So, just like I said, guys, we out here Jamaican shore fishing. We here with Oral. Got Chris in the building. We got Blacks in the building. And my general here, I keep on calling G. Wait, yo, tell the people your name.
My name is Dominic. Bro.
Tell the people your name, dogs.
My name is Dominic.
All right, down in the building, Blacks in the building. I mean, I'm a general Oral and the other Blacks up there. So, there you are going, guys. We've seen snooks, tarpons, all kinds of fishes up here. So we're gonna fish and fish this whole area, guys. That's what's up. Excellent adventure. Happy New Year's. Happy holidays. Bless up you and your family, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, and watch the ads. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here, guys. How many of you can say you enjoy this and live this life? I love this shit. I live for this. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here, guys. That's what's up. We're doing it the real way, guys. Just working this beach all the way up in this nice, pretty turquoise blue water. Feeling that sand pull from under my feet. Feeling the freedom, guys. I love this. Got the whole team, guys. Look at this. That's what's up, guys. Whole team's out there, guys, doing this thing, guys. That's up, Jamaican shore fishing. Outside. Look at that croc, guys. We got a crocodile in the water. We standing in the goddamn water. You know, so we don't have no sense though. Turn up in the water with crocodile, bro.
No, brother, we alright.
We alright, me not. See me out, that's all. Let me cast my lure.
Alright, chip on him, chip on him.
No. Shot at him. Crocodile lure fishing.
Man.
We blackfish them there. That's all? That's all we cast blackfish? Where net the dam?
Wait, you control it.
May I take out my bag? I'm not going to cast net in a crocodile infested water with no goddamn bag on my back, man. These men are scared. What are you scared of? It's just crocodiles. They only bite.
When they hear splashing.
Blacks is. Yo, guys, these guys, you gonna cast it? Oh, shoot. Yeah, look at the birds. That's awesome. Yeah, the sprats are down, so they're hunting the sprats.
If you look like a hood over there, like a one cook.
I want crook, man. I see him, man. I see him long time. I'm see other one done so too. See other one done so. In cover, in gone done, you know? So, yo, it's when they gone done, is when I might. Let me see that. You gonna cast it or you want me to cast it? You sure, bro? Alright, go on. So Black's gonna cast the net first, because we in crocodile infested water, guys. Literally in crocodile infested waters. So we're looking for crooks. We gotta be careful. We out in here, out in the water. Blacks, if y'all casting. That was a horrible cast, Blacks. When there? Let's see him, man. Oh yeah, all the way up there, yeah. So we gotta be keeping an eye on these crooks, guys, because they're here. That's what's up. Dangerous crook waters, black waters. You can't see them. We're up to like almost knee deep.
Black spot or something?
Yeah. All right, give me that. Give me that. I'm gonna cast this net, guys. I'm gonna get a cast. This Blacks. Give me the rope. Just hold it up in the air same way. And give me the rope. Yo, keep an eye out, bro, for them crooks. I see one lean up. Yo, that one that was over there is still there. Where? Right there?
Yeah.
So you want me to cast right there?
No, over there.
All right, hold this. Hold this up in the air, Blacks. All right, guys. I gotta get the net on. We gotta be watching out for crooks.
Jerry, look, you know them come. Look on the bubbles.
Yeah, I know. I see the bubbles. Yeah.
Fish.
That's a
blackfish.
blackfish.
A
Yeah.
fish, man, a fish. A fish, a blackfish. You know, look on the bubble mouth.
See bubble them out. That's where he's at.
Bubble is a crocodile. A fish that.
That's a fish.
Bubble mouth.
Fish so big, them the big old bubble there, brother.
Yeah, when the big fish they come out, how they come up? This crocodile wheel around there, so.
Yeah. Yo, guys, we in crocodile infested water. Real crocodile. This is real crocodile grounds, guys. So,
Clear.
yeah. Yeah, free up that side. Damn, something came loose here. Here. This side needs to go back through there.
Wait.
Yeah. See that, Blacks? You hitched up on something up there.
You don't see if you go, you want me laugh something. Make you laugh. Me not tell you, brother.
Black. Yo, you crying, bro.
Man, happy ball, man, me laugh.
Man, ball. Man, out the side. Man, a ball tear waters look wild, boss.
Say, yo, me not
Watch out, bro. Watch out. You hear? Yeah, man. Watch your back, guys. Hey, give me a look out to the crooks, them not Blacks.
Yeah. No, man, you're alright, man.
Just look out, bro. Don't let me fall blind to this. Watch on the head. Bad show. Yo.
Born and grow crocodile.
But you are going. You just gotta be mindful that you're in the environment. That's all. Take out the stick, that's all.
Really?
See right there in front of you. Alright, watch out, Blacks. Straight up there in there.
Let's check it now. Alright, that's the black water.
Yeah.
Look, Jerry. The black water.
Yeah.
Drop down with this thing, I take them hard.
Alright, I'm gonna go now. Watch out the Blacks. Watch out, Blacks. Watch your back. Watch out. Damn, I get dizzy here, fuck. Sure. Spread still, but. This is because I'm in the water.
Let me try like one.
Shot. She's sitting there. Oh, yo, brother, stop throwing the line. I water and frighten me, man. Get one more shot again. Because I'm not used to throwing it. I'm short because look, I want that bubble there, so look. Give me a shoulder. You guys, we gotta be careful of crocs. Because the crocs are here, and we're here. Who's worst? Human beings or crocs? Croc. That's a big croc down there. And the right, that's a right eye edge. Let me get a cast. Blacks, watch yourself. Here, come in, I water. No, I'm short, and this net is tall.
All of them, man.
Can't leave me G them so. That not 3 buds still blocks, but use a ring.
No, man, a fish, man.
Right now if the ring come off, I throw better.
Can't give them the big old ripple every
Mr.
Yeah,
Pat,
Blazer.
no big up fish on ya, man.
Eh?
Who?
Why you tell me, say,
If the
man?
ring come off, I
You know for sure without the ring better?
Yeah?
Eh?
Yeah?
Say not sure without the ring. Eh?
You take off, man.
Pick off the ring.
What?
You buy pan it?
From what?
You buy pan it?
If they buy from what? Top water lure? I'm not sure. Underneath the water, the silk was sitting and run down sitting over there. So top on that.
The big one them a sharp one. The little one them a blackfish. I was on a crocodile.
Bubble.
Alright, so you're a different spot. So don't run for no bubble.
You see long as, you see like how we just a chat now. And a crocodile come on the water. I go here. My head splashing and my feet going to the water. Long as they know they do it. No lure like no insect lure.
Hmm?
Frog in the man. Tap water.
That's what it is. Top water. This is the top water. Blood tree. Look over there, somebody. Right in that corner, in that deep corner, is the way dark there. There you go. We're out here, guys. Like we said, crocodile-infested water. All right, we're on the road, man. Yeah, we're watching out for these crocs, guys, because they're here in this water, and we just got to be careful. It's black water. Got to be careful. No. Yeah. Yeah, guys, we got to be watching each other's back in this water. You know, Jamaican shore fishing, guys. Jamaican shore fishing team.
So them blackfish full of deep, man.
Yeah, they deep as hell. We had a croc that was right where the lure just fell a while ago. Lord have mercy to Ross Claude. Brother, just watch out for the crocodile then, please. I don't want none of us getting hurt while fishing. Oi, no go too deep in the dogs. No, so we cannot see you down there. One of them batty boy in the bush. Crook. Blocks in not so good. Hear that sound? In blocks? Yeah, I'm not feeling that over there. Yeah, I'm not feeling that. Try over mangroves corner there, so. Yo, that a deep dive, I know, bro. Where you go with that?
Right, that's man.
Nothing on the top water yet. You have something night? Blocks have something night? Awesome. Bro, that's a deep dive, I know. Yeah? You don't need to dive deep here, you need a top water lure here, bro. That's dangerous. Nothing. Not even the banga them were there at the grass. Alright guys, let's go set some lines. Yeah.
Just don't turn on, just swing on and jacket back.
Yeah, top water lure. Not saying much right now. No, I buy different lures, singular, by itself. I try not to buy lures in sets, because some of them you don't use. But tarpons are very sensitive creatures. You have to know. Yeah, you have to know what you have to do with them. You have to know what kind of color lure to use with them. High visibility, something like this. High vis top water, something that's not going to sink too deep. And that's going to give them that little vibe. So I'm going to run this and see what's up. If I can get their attention. Fuck you. Yeah, I got hooked. I always get hooked. Alright, let's go. We're going to set lines in a second, guys. We're just waiting for them to see what they can pick up here. Shore fishing, we came up behind the reef, way from down there. As you guys can see, we stopped at the crocodile pond a while ago. We've seen a few crocodiles messing around here, me and my buddy. So, we're going to set these lines, guys, behind the reef and see what we can pick up today and see what's up. So stay tuned while we set these lines or get these lines out. Yeah guys, we at it guys. Yeah guys, so I'm gonna try down here, see if the water's cleaner this side. Spoon lure. See if I can pick something up into these clean waters, guys. Barra, smoke, tarpon, anything guys. Spoon lure guys, that's what's up. Jamaican shore fishing. Right behind this reef, guys. I'll be watching for crocodiles on both sides. Trying these shallow sections, guys. I might pick up a little small barra or something. I don't know. I'm getting chased by a long jaw. Something small. Nothing major here. I'm going to try to get on that reef and cast out on this reef right here. See if I can get a better cast out in a little more calmer area. That you guys look. That's a crocodile tail mark right there coming from that direction. You can see the belly mark right there, guys. That's where he exit. There goes the next exit point. Crocodiles come off here. See, this is their tail marks. And you can see their footprints and stuff. And they come out through here. You can see right where he rolls off here, guys. And come out through here and come into the water. So I got to be careful of what I'm doing. The last time I bumped into a crocodile up here, it was like 14 foot, 15 foot long. and I gotta be extremely careful. So stay tuned, Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here, guys. That's what's up. Hey guys, we're about to move to Black River. Shift up. And not getting no pickups except for that one snapper that I caught earlier. But my friend called me and said Black River is doing it. So we're gonna move down the sandy coast to the other side over there, guys. We'll move to the other side of the coast on that side. So stay tuned. We're gonna link up with my friends down there. Jamaican shore fishing. We are out here. Hey guys, so early I got stuck in that sandbar over here and I gotta figure my way to get back out. Orland and them didn't drive in. I drove in and I had gotten stuck earlier. So now this one I gotta just rush to quick. Whoop, whoop, whoop. I'm on the other side quick. So now
when we see take up classes in Jerry. When we see take up classes that come over, I'm glad you know man. No, but I'm really foolish this time.
Oral, I said the wheel all turn sideways for me one time I have to just do one.
Yeah, but I see. Like one turn around.
Yeah, holy man.